Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to check alerts on TradingView mobile application. View, edit and manage the alert notifications and alerts. Okay, so firstly you can simply click on three dots in your bottom navigation bar. Once you tap on it, here scroll up and then inside our tools, here you will find a alert manager. You can simply tap on it and here you will find your all alerts that you add here. Right now I have only one alert. If you have multiple, you can simply click on search bar to search the alert. Okay, and now to edit the alert, you can simply tap on it and then click on edit. And then here you can easily edit your alert. Okay, now to delete it, you can simply press the red button. You will see a dustbin delete button. Same as you can once you go here, you can long press on it and then you will get a delete button. So here is how you can easily view, edit and manage your alerts on a TradingView mobile application. Okay, goodbye.